This is elementary, two-person relay mix. Final. He's on the red team.
Elementary 2 mix out on the track, 2,000 meter final. Stardust takes you to the black helmet covers. Pick a partner.
Run!
Sits in second.
Run!
Team Florida chases in third. Team Fast in fourth. Coming around with 17 laps to go. 17 laps to go. Team Florida makes a nice move over to that second position. South Florida Blade sits in third. Team Fast now trying to move over to that third, and he does. 16 laps to go. Stardust. Team Florida. Team Fast and South Florida Blades in that fourth position. 14 laps to go when they come around on the tag.
Go! Come on, you gotta work it.
Last call for the 50-50 raffle. The winner is going to take home over $200. It's a 50-50 raffle. Last call to get your tickets. Stardust still leads the way to the black helmet cover. Team Fast sits in second. Team Florida in third. Coming around, it's going to be 11 laps to go now for the leaders. This is your elementary 2-mix final right on the track.
Come on, Chloe!
10 laps to go now. They're halfway through the race. Stardust leads the way. Team Fast and Team Florida back over that second spot. South Florida Blades trying to chase it down in fourth. Team Florida sits in third. Team Florida makes a move over to that second position. Off the tag, 800 meters to go. Team Fast now takes that second spot back. It's a battle for second place between Team Fast and Team Florida. We're now 700 meters to go. Stardust leads the way in the black helmet cover. 6 laps to go. Team Florida with the next relay takes over that second spot. It's Team Florida in second, Team Fast in third. 500 meters to go. This is the elementary 2-mix 2,000 meter final.
Keep going!
Team Florida still sits in second. Team Fast in third. 4 laps to go now for your leaders. Team Fast off the relay, moves up into that second spot. Team Florida trying to chase him down in third. Coming around, 3 laps to go. Stardust way out the lead in first. Team Fast holding on to second. Team Florida in third. Coming around with 2 laps to go. 200 meters remaining. And off the tag. Team Florida moves up into that second spot off the tag. Team Fast trying to take it back on the inside. And Team Florida holds it off. Coming around with that lap. 100 meters to go. And officially, the elementary 2-mix will finish. Stardust, Team Florida, and Team Fast. Good job, skaters. You're safe. Alright. Sophomore 2-mix to the line. Senior 2-mix to the line.